Hi there, please follow these simple steps to help you start budgeting. Select your currency and then choose a start date. The product will be adjusted exactly according to these data. The income and expenditure items you set here will be placed in the rest of the product. The profit goals table next to the categories table is the table where you will write the income you aim to achieve on a monthly basis. Take care to be realistic when preparing this table. The amounts you enter here are shown above as a 12-month total. When an income arises, select the date on which the income arises. Type the product/revenue code in the ID column. From the list, select the income subitem and note the total amount, tax amount. Thus, the tax excluded amount will appear in the net amount section. You can add a detailed note for each income item. When an expense is incurred, select the date the expense is incurred. Type the product/expenditure code in the ID column. From the list, select the expense subitem and note the total amount, tax amount. Thus, the tax excluded amount will appear in the net amount section. You can add detailed notes for each expense item. Another sheet is monthly overview. Monthly summary tables are created thanks to the information you enter on the income tracker and expense tracker pages. The monthly overview sheet is the page where these tables are located and does not allow user input except for the notes table. And the last sheet is the yearly dashboard sheet where you can see and analyze all the data you have written in the form of annual summary tables/graphs. Again, no user login is allowed on this page. You can only select the year from the top left.